Top 5 Best Air Conditioner. Top 1. Pioneer Air Conditioner Inverter Plus Wall Mount Ductless Minisplit Heat Pump 30,000. Save money all year round with a highly efficient ductless Minisplit Inverter Plus Heat Pump System. Ultra silent and beautifully built, perfect for home or light commercial use. Use for both cooling and heating. 30,000 BTU/hour, with 18 SEER and 10 HSPF efficiency. Top 2. Frigidaire FFRA 2822R2 28,000 BTU 230-volt window-mounted heavy-duty air conditioner. 28,000 BTU heavy-duty air conditioner for window installation requires special 230V electrical outlet. Unit will not work with standard 115V outlet. Quickly cools a room up to 1,900 square ft with dehumidification up to 9.5 pints per hour. Multi-speed electronic controls. Top 3. Friedrich Chill Series CP24G30B Window Air Conditioner. Powerful 24,000/23, 500 BTUs of cooling. The power to cool rooms up to 1,400 square ft can be installed as a window air conditioner or in wall. Ultra quiet operation, window AC designed to cut operation noise to a minimum. Automatically oscillate louvers left and right during cooling. Top 4. Frigidaire FFRH 1822R2 18,500 BTU 230V Median Slide-Out Chassis Air Conditioner. Median air conditioner supplemental heater with slide-out chassis for either window or wall installation, window mounting kit included. 18,500 BTU cooling. 16,000 BTU supplemental heating, special 230V electrical outlet required. Unit will not work with a standard 115V outlet. Top 5. Koldfront WAC 25001W 208/230V 25,000 BTU Heat Cool Window Air Conditioner. Coverage area: 1,500 square ft, cool, 700 square ft, heat, 3. Fan speeds, 4. Operation modes: 24-hour timer. 4-way air directional louvers. Moisture removal. 137 pints day. 16,000 BTU heating. 22.5A/4,800 W. 25,000 BTU cooling. 11.3A/2,660 W.
All of these items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out the links for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. Share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.